Hi, my name is Mabel Gomez. This is my presentation about DDT. DDT is a colorless, tasteless, and nearly odorless crystalline organocrine chemical compound. Originally developed as an insecticide, it became famous for its environmental impact. DDT is a solution to insect problems that grow faster to control the spread of diseases like dengue, Zika, and chikungunya. DDT's powerful ability to control disease made the pesticide a war hero and is developed by American scientists. But in the recent reports on Zika and its less recent debates about malaria in developing countries, a neat ending to the DDT story has been outlined. In this version of event there is a responsible way to use the pesticide and a potential need for it when it comes to controlling the most intractable insect-borne disease. Although biological solutions are present for some problems of mosquito propagation, I consider that it's not enough to cover the global demand. The evidence on toxicity still needs to be more solid, since it's a chemical that makes a big difference in many countries for pest control. In the article Genetically Modified Mosquitoes, there is talk sending genetically modified mosquitoes to combat the spread tropical disease, which is why many people were sitting where the tests will be done are concerned. It's for this reason that it's interesting to consider how viable it is to resort to solutions that replace DDT that do not put humans in greater dangers. This is significant because the genetically modified mosquitoes have gene fragments for herpes simplex virus and E. coli bacteria, as well as for corals and cabbages. The British company running the experiment cites that this scientists' DNA does not pose any significant risk to other animals, but it does kill mosquito larvae. Although it's an uncertain solution, we can't help but think that it could be grown or perfectly at a bigger problem. So DDT remains one of the less risky, fairly viable solutions. One point I want to make is that concentration solutions could be focused on decreasing the toxicity of DDT to make something already established safer. According to her recommendation, the use of DDT is an important factor in the control of malaria and mosquito-borne infectious disease. Another important point is that DDT is associated with health problems such as decreased fertility, early pregnancy loss, preterm breed-in, decreased lactation time, neural development deficits, diabetes, leukemia, pancreatic, and breast cancer. But, on the other hand, further epidemiological studies are needed to unequivocally establish the relationship with this disease and DDT. DDT is used primarily for indoor disease vector control at rates of several hundred grams per household twice a year. Today, it is manufactured in less than half a dozen countries due to the need to insect control. Plus, its use is the fastest way to control it. DDT should be categorized by WHO and international aid agencies as a pesticide to be used until other better control methods are available that are likely to be effective. For example, malaria is a disease caused by mosquitoes, so the spread of mosquitoes should be a priority and effective in many countries around the world. There is even talk of growing support for the use of DDT as it is a cheap and affordable product. Today, the WHO continues to recommend its use for indoor spraying, and countries like South Africa use irregularly, so I consider that DDT is still an effective means of controlling disease vector while there are no solutions that are available and accessible as the chemical. Thank you.